In this video tutorial, we're going to study how to do measurements in area from complex objects. When it's measuring a rectangle or a circle, you can use this tool or this tool or this tool. However, in cases like this leaf, it will take a lot of time to measure this using other tools. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So as usually, you have to open image A. Here I already have it open. Then you go to open samples. You go to file, open samples, and leave. So file, open samples, and leave. Now let's do it here. File, open samples, and here I go to leave. Yeah, so as I said to you, to measure the green area will take a long time to go through all these different sections. However, I'm going to show you a way to do it faster. And to do so, we need to first turn this image that it was green to a RGB from red, green, and blue to an 8-bit image. So we have to go to image, type, and 8-bit. So file, image, type, 8-bit. So now it's only in grayscale. And if you have any doubt of how to do that, here there is another video of how to do that. Just to remind you again, if you see in this section of the image, it say RGB, and here it say 8-bit. So here it said already 8 bits, and it used to say RGB, red, green, and blue. The fourth step is to calibrate our image, set the scale bar. If you have any doubt of how to set the scale bar, you can go here. But here we have a ruler, and what we're going to do is draw a line over the 50mm sections. So we can go from 5 to 10 here. And so let's do it. We go for the line. Then we're going to measure. We can go here, left click, and go to 10. And if you want, very careful that your measurements are right, you can zoom in. You can zoom, left click, and look. So I can put it in the long line, starting the long line and here. And if you want to be even more careful, you can drag, click, and keep drag it down. And see that is parallel to the other line, or that is on top of the other line. So it looks good. So now let's go to the other step. Now let's go to analyze and set scale. So we're going to go analyze, set scale, analyze, set scale. And now we have this box. And in the box, they told us we're going to have in the knowing distance 50. In the pixel, we're going to keep 1. Here we measure millimeters. And here global. So if we do different changes, we're going to do 2 type of changes, so we don't have to calibrate it every time. And then we press OK. So let's do it. Here it is. We're going to add here knowing distance 50 unit of length. So it will be mm. And we're going to click here, Okay. Okay. So now we set our scale. If you have any doubt about setting the scale, I already uploaded a video about how to set scales, so you can continue. Or if you have any doubt, just let me know and I can help you. And now we're going to use a threshold to remove this yellow area and only keep the green one. And to do that, you have to go to Process, Binary, and Make Binary. And this is relatively easy. You Process, Binary, and now Make Binary. And now look. So the yellow regions are gone, and now you keep most of the green regions. So now let's go to step number 8. We're going to calculate the area, and to calculate the area, we have to surround the leaf with the rectangular selection. This is the rectangular selection. We're going to go around this area. So this black area, we don't measure this black area because we only want to quantify this region that is the one of the leaf. So so we select the rectangle, we go here, and done. Now let's go to step number 9. So here you have to go to Analyze Particles, and in this box you have to add size of the pixel. The minimal size that the software is going to measure is going to go from 50 up to infinity. Then we're going to show the outlines here, and then we're going to have to display the results. So on the figure will go from black to white, and they will tell us all of this area, the measurement of this area. So you go here, Analyze Particles, .50 here, in the area say Show. We want that they show the outlines, the section that it is measuring, and now we want that it displays results, so check mark, and then we press OK. And so now we have the area here and other measurements, the perimeter, for example. Here is for example, here you have the perimeter, and here you can see the drawing, and this is the section that the software measure. So I want that now you take a screenshot of this, and a screenshot of this, and also of your results, and you copy and paste it in a PowerPoint or in a Word document and upload it on Moodle.